To begin with, the first theme or the context is something related to excessive interest or enthusiasm. I want to refer to a person who is excessively interested in something or enthusiastic about something. So the basic way of saying it would be he is excessively interested in football. He is enthusiastic about football. A little more intricate or advanced way of saying the same sentence would be he is a football fanatic. The other words that could replace fanatic are zealot, bigot. He is a die-hard fan, die-hard or maniac, freak. The second context or the theme is something related to luck. Basic is the discovery of the file happened by chance or by luck. The same in advanced would be the discovery of the file was fortuitous, or fortuitous means something accidental. Another one sentence is to get the most important document, to get hold of this was a moment of serendipity. All these words, serendipity, fortuitous, can be replaced by other power-packed words, elite words like accidental, unexpected, unforeseen, luck, unanticipated, coincidental, serendipity. Next is, the third is false report about someone. Basic is there was a false report against him. Advanced is there was a false and defamatory report against him. There was a slander against him. He was defamed falsely. Other words are character assassination, mudslinging, libel, scandalmonger, vilification, obloquy, calumny. These are the words that could replace slander. There was a libel against him. There was an obloquy against him.